How's it going, YouTube? Today we are working on a VW Atlas, taking the rear and front door panel off. All you should need is a size 10 wrench, a T30 screwdriver, and a plastic pry bar. We're going to have two screws we need to grab out. We're going to have one underneath this armrest. So we're going to grab our plastic pry bar out. There's a little cutout. Just stick it in there, kind of pop it free like so. That's going to show one of the screws. And then the other one is actually a plastic screw. That's where you're going to grab this size 10 wrench. And there's a little plastic. You don't actually take it out. You kind of just turn it sideways. I'll try to get a close-up video for you guys. There's just underneath, right underneath here, it's kind of hidden. But it's a plastic screw. Don't keep screwing around. Just kind of turn it halfway. And you'll see there's like a little cutout that screw has to kind of fit through when we pull the door panel off. A little hard to explain, but you'll see what I'm talking about when you're actually in the situation. Now that we have the cover off, we'll go ahead and get our T30 screwdriver. Go ahead and grab that bolt out. Now we can grab our plastic pry bar, go to the bottom of the door. On these Volkswagens, these pins can kind of be tight. There is kind of a funky one up here, which once again, I'll try to get you guys a close-up of it. It's not really a pin. It's like a clip that sometimes pops out when you pop the door panel. But we want to install that back on the door panel before we put the door panel back on the door. But I'll show you guys that. So let's grab our plastic pry bar. Kind of make a gap towards the bottom. Kind of use like firm pulls on it. Kind of like jerks almost. Like I said, these Volkswagens are super tight. It's going to feel like you're breaking it. Alright, now this is where the weird one is. I'm going to try to pop it. Alright, there it goes. You might have to use your pry bar, but it's kind of in the middle right here. There might be one more too. Yeah. Before we actually pull the door panel up, like I said, this is a VW Atlas. This one in particular doesn't have the sunscreen, but yours probably does. I notice a lot of Atlases do, but this one doesn't. It shouldn't interfere. I popped a lot of these door panels off, and that sunscreen never does interfere. So if you do have it, don't worry about it. This one doesn't, but it is an Atlas still. Now that we have all the panels popped and the two bolts loosened or out, we can go ahead and just wiggle up. And there's the rear door panel. Now we can move on to the front. Alright, still on the back door, I totally forgot to show you guys that weird clip. So all the clips kind of look like these with this white little tip. Hopefully my light can kind of show that better than what my finger's doing. But there's another one like right here. So it had like this weird little white tip. If you see, this one is missing over here. I took it out. But this is that weird clip I was telling you about. It looks like this right here. So they all have white tips on top of them. That's actually a better example. But they all look like this besides this one. This one will actually go back into the door panel. So if your door panel does not come off with this clip and it is stuck behind into the actual door frame itself, you won't be able to put the door panel back on. So that's what I was trying to explain to you. Just make sure this one comes out, put it back on the door panel, and then click it back onto here when you go to put the panel back on the frame itself. Alright, now we're on the front door panel. Pretty much the same process. There is one difference. You're going to have two of those twist screws on the bottom. We'll go ahead and remove our cover out the way. Grab our T30 out. Alright, now we'll grab our size 10 wrench. Once again, you have two of them down here. So just twist them until they clear the door panel. Alright. Now we can grab our plastic pry tool. Just find a corner. Work your way around. That clip actually came out super easy that time somehow, but it usually gives me trouble. It actually came out. And then same thing, once you have all the clips, you shouldn't have to remove this plastic cover. It may give you a little bit extra room, but you should be able to weasel it up and around it. just like so. So that is how you remove the rear and front door panel on a Volkswagen Atlas. Thanks for watching.